This is the Ugramo multifunction kitchen scale. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the scale itself and of course the user's guide for it. It has a nice cover on it which comes off. It can be inverted to become a bowl so you can weigh things. If you don't want to do that, you can place it right on here if you wanted to. It takes 3 AAA batteries, so I'll load those in. Now this has a whole slew of features and I'm not going to get into most of them. You can have a clock display on here. It also has a kitchen timer function, but really the main thing is the accuracy of the scale. So what I have here is the scale is currently set to grams, and I know in the US we don't normally use grams, but it's going to be a good test for this. Here is a standard United States nickel, and this should weigh exactly 5 grams. Perfect. We'll put a second one on there. 10. Third one, 15. Fourth one, 20. Fifth one, 25. Weighs exactly right. Now I put the bowl on there and you'll notice that it's reading 86 grams for the bowl, but we don't want to measure the bowl, we want to measure stuff that you put into it. So we can hit the button on the right there to tare the scale, and that will bring it back to 0 for us. And I'll grab our 5 nickels once again and drop them in. 25. Perfect. I've taken the bowl off, as you see, and now it's showing negative 86 grams, but we can tare it again just like that. And of course there's different units you can set. You can change the temperature display to Fahrenheit if you'd like. As far as the units go, you can have it measure in ounces, even in pounds and ounces, and this will measure up to 11 pounds. There's also the option for liquid and dry measure. In other parts of the world, not necessarily here in the US, a lot of ingredients used for cooking and especially for baking are measured not by, you know, a cup of this, a half cup of that, a quarter cup of this, 2 tablespoons, 3 teaspoons, whatever it is. They don't measure by that because that really is sort of an arbitrary number there. It's not a direct amount. It depends on exactly what it is. So they measure ingredients by weight, which is actually the best way, and you can measure out exactly that. It's also great for people who are using portion control in their diet. They can weigh the food that they're going to be eating and make sure they don't exceed the amount that they're supposed to be intaking. So a very accurate kitchen scale by Ugramo. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find this item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.